up, good people? Huge shout out to Rick Hendrick Cadillac for allowing me to view the 2024 Cadillac Escalade. Today we're introducing the 2024 Cadillac Escalade, adorned in a timeless, elegant black raven. This masterpiece stretching 227 inches in length and towering at 76 inches in height, setting the standard for a luxury SUV. With a robust wheelbase of 134 inches and a confident ground clearance of 8 inches. The Cadillac Escalade demands attention with exceptional presence and magnificent design. Witness as luxury transform into legendary. Also, this have an MSRP of $110,000. Under the hood is the 6.2 liter V8 engine pushing out 420. For the torque, 460 at 4,000 RPM. For the 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. For the top speed, 125. For the MPG highway, 18. City, 14. Here's the sound of this beast. Now we are making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. This have speakers in the headrest. Right here we're looking at a digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your RPMs, on the right you have your gas gauge, in the middle you have your map. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your gauge, map, camera, heads-up display, trip, and all the other good stuff. The buttons right here are your auto, 2-wheel high, 4-wheel high, hill, and mode. Looking on the door panel, you have your heated and cooled seats alongside your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control alongside your memory seat settings. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your heated steering wheel with your voice command alongside your Super Cruise. This is your conversation enhance button. This is like when you're trying to talk to the kids. Hey John, stop hitting your sister in the back. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with your plus and minus paddle shifters. This particular model has Super Cruise. This is truly hands-free driving at its finest. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 14-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest My Cadillac. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control. The buttons right here are your auto hold with your auto start feature alongside your lane keep assist. You have your shift lever. This particular model is a 10-speed automatic transmission. Behind the shift lever, you have more radio shortcuts with your hazard lights. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. You have your 2 USB outlets, and this is pretty deep. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your rear seat folding and your trunk release. You have your moonroof control with your visor control alongside your SOS Safety Connect on start with your 4G LTE network. You have your rear view camera. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. You have your climate control with your cup holder area. You have your two USB outlets with your 12-volt outlet. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting with your air vent. You have your rear seat control with your 12-volt outlet. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 41.5 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded in, measuring at 142.8 cubic feet. Wow, this can be your weekend getaway vehicle. Once again, huge shout out to Rick Hendrick Cadillac for allowing me to review the 2024 Cadillac Escalade. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.